This is the Lodge Cast Iron Loaf Pan. I recently purchased this product and I'm super happy with it. Now let me tell you why I purchased this pan. Now first of all, this pan is made by Lodge. Lodge has a great reputation and it is made in the United States. It also has a really good weight to it, so you know it's nice and heavy. It's not going to warp. It's going to last many generations. Also, the design on this loaf pan is great. They put the handles sticking out quite far past the loaf pan. Now, this makes it so much easier for getting the loaf in and out of the oven. We all know when you have those oven mitts, it's so easy to accidentally indent your loaf. So this will help prevent you from doing that. It's a great design. Now, this product also came pre-seasoned. However, I did coat my pan with butter before I baked my first loaf of white bread. And let me tell you, that bread came out beautifully. It came easily out of the pan. It had a nice, even crust that was a little crunchy. It was absolutely perfect. Actually, I am so happy with how my bread turned out after baking it in this loaf pan that I plan on purchasing 1 or 2 more so that I can bake 2 to 3 loaves of bread at a time. I am so happy with my new cast iron loaf pan by Lodge. Thanks for watching my review on the Cast Iron Loaf Pan by Lodge. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe. Thanks again for watching.